I get numerous messages every single day, people asking XP Marketing, how do I make money online? And that is why my goal on this channel is to bring you as many strategies as possible so that you can start making money online and reach your financial goals as fast as possible. So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cpagrip to make money online by promoting various CPA offers. And if you're new to this channel, I already made a playlist showing how to create a fully functional Cpagrip account to making $1,000 a day on Cpagrip. If you've not seen that playlist, I'm going to leave it down in the description below. I highly recommend to check it out. So moving on to today's video, all you simply need to do is to sign in to your Cpagrip account. And once you do that, you want to come over to the offer section. And once you come over here, you're going to see this first section that says country, and this is where you want to pick any country of your choice. But for me, I am going to use United States. But like I said, you can experiment with any other country right here. The method works the same. Okay, so once you select any country of your choice, Cpagrip is going to automatically show you the top performing offers in that region, as you can see right here. Okay, and if you do that, you're going to see this one has a plus right here, which tells you a lot of affiliates are currently promoting these offers and making a killing with this offer. And now you can see this is the offer I'm going to show you as an example today. And as you can see right here, you can see my performance on this offer 100%, and you can see other affiliates are also making money with this offer as well. So if I click on the offer and if I scroll down to the start section, you can see with just 84 clicks, I got paid over $215, and I promoted this offer in less than an hour. And I'm going to show you how you can do this strategy as well and get similar results promoting CPA offers from any country of your choice. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to Twitter or x.com and you want to sign up and create an account. So once you create your Twitter account, the first thing you want to do is to go over to the explore section. And keep in mind, we are promoting a United States offer. So we want to make sure to target content that is trending in United States. So now you want to come over to the trending section. If you come over here, all you simply need to do is to click on this settings icon. So once you do that, you want to come over to where it says explore location. All right. So once you click on this, this is where you want to select whatever country you chose on Cpagrip. All right. So because I'm using United States, of course, I'm going to select United States here as well. So once you select any country of your choice, that is all you need to do. And if you do that, regardless of whatever country you are currently living in, Twitter or X is going to show you the content that is trending in that country. I hope this makes sense. All right. So if you come over to the trending section, you are going to see hashtags that are currently getting a lot of engagement on Twitter right now. Okay, so we are going to take this one right here that says Love Island, United States as an example, but the same strategy applies to any of the hashtags you decide to go with on this list. So the next step is finding content, and now you want to look for content that we are going to be using to promote this CPA offer. And to get content is very easy. All you simply need to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in Apple Watch GIF. I really recommend going for GIF because it looks like videos and people will engage more with videos than images. All right, so now if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of GIFs right here, and I highly recommend to go with GIFs that has human feel to it, just like this one right here that has a human operating this Apple Watch right here. However, if you don't want to use these images on Google because of copyright issues, you can come over to a website like jiffy.com and you type in Apple Watch as well. You're going to see a lot of GIFs you can use as well. You can see this is an example right here. And if I scroll down, you can see this is also one right here, which has a human using the watch. So if you don't find enough content on jiffy.com, you can also come over to tenor.com. And if you come over here, you can see this is also another one here showing real human beings using this watch. So all you simply need to do is to click on any of these GIF and you want to simply right click and you'll be able to save the image to your device right away. It's that simple. So once you do that, before you start promoting, we want to do one final thing. And to do that, you want to go over to canva.com. All you simply need to do is to go over to where it says create a design. And you want to come over here and click on custom size. Here you want to type in 1920 by 1080 pixels. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And here you want to upload that GIF you downloaded from Google. So you want to come over to where it says videos. All right, so if you come over here, all you need to do is to click on upload, and you want to upload that GIF. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So all I need to do is to drag and drop it like this. Okay, so once I do this, then you want to do one more thing by going over to the text section. And if you come over here, you're going to see a lot of templates which you can use right away. So I'm going to take this text template as an example. All I need to do is to just drop it right here. So once you drop this text, you want to then type in a call to action that's going to captivate people's attention. So you want to type in a very captivating call to action like this: get your Apple Watch today, 10 left, link in bio, or you can type in link in profile. So this is up to you. So now you want to come over to the colors and you want to highlight it like this to make it stand out so that people can read the text easily. So once you do this, this is all you need to do on Canva. Then you want to come over to the share section and you want to click on download. Once you do that, you want to change this from MP4 to GIF. Okay, so once you do this, all you simply need to do is to then click on download, and it's going to download right away to your device. So while it's downloading, you want to go over to twitter.com or x.com and you want to come back to the trending section. So if you come back to the trending section, if you click on the hashtag right here, which we are targeting, which is this Love Island USA. So if you come over to the trending section, I can assure you these people making these tweets are from United States, as you can see right here. So if I keep scrolling down, you can see just 7 minutes ago, this person using GIF got more engagement. As you can see, it has a like on it, and you can see this tweet has reached 10 people in just 7 minutes. So now that we know this hashtag works, you want to go back to your home page and you want to click on post. So if you come over to the post section, this is where you want to create a tweet. And if you don't have an idea of what to type in, you can simply come over to ChatGPT to make it easy for you. All you simply need to do is to type in, give me 10 unique tweets using this hashtag. So if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can just go over to other people's tweets and get an idea of what to type in right here if you don't want to use ChatGPT. Okay, so once you type in your tweet, all you simply need to do is to come over to the media section. So once you click on the media section and you try to upload the GIF, you might get this error message saying your GIF file is too large, but that's not a problem. All you simply need to do is to just go over to Google and you want to type in compress GIF. If you do this, you're going to see a lot of websites that will help you compress the GIF. So if I click on the first one, all you just need to do is to just choose the GIF file. As you can see right here is 19 megabytes. So now you want to just click on compress GIF. So if you do that, as you can see, this website is going to convert it for you. As you can see, it has now converted it to 6 megabytes. So all you need to do is to click on download, and it's going to download to your device right away. Then you want to go back to your Twitter account, and now you want to upload the compressed version. So once you do that, as you can see, it uploaded successfully without any problem. As you can see, this tweet is not promoting any link, and that way you're going to get more reach organically because the algorithm knows we are not pushing any link. So that is why I recommend using GIF. So this way you're going to bypass a lot of spam filter and get a lot of traffic right away. So once you do this, all you just simply need to do is to click on post. So once you post that tweet, the final thing you want to then do is to then go over to your profile. So if you come over to your profile, of course, I'm taking my XB Marketing profile on Twitter as an example. All right. So if you come over to your profile, you want to simply come over to the edit section. And if you come here, this is where you want to paste in your website. Of course, you can create a landing page for that CPA offer if you want to do that. However, if you don't want to create a landing page, you can simply use URL shorteners like tinyurl.com, or you can use cut.ly. So it's that simple. So if you come back to the CPA offer page, all you simply need to do is to copy your URL. So once you copy your URL, like I said, you can use tinyurl to shorten the link, or you can create a landing page if you want to do that. So now you want to make sure to use URL shorteners that allows you customize the link, something like this. So once I do this, all I need to do from here is to just click on shorten URL. So now I can just simply copy this URL like this. So if I copy this, all I simply need to do is to go back to my Twitter profile and I paste in the link right here like this. Then I click on save. So once I do that, as you can see, it went through without any problem. And once people see that tweet and they go over to my profile, all they simply need to do is to complete the CPA offer, and you'll be making money in passive income. So that brings us to the end of this video, and thanks for watching.